Welcome back. Now news from sports. Churchill Brothers scored an important victory to announce their I-League title challenge when they defeated East Bengal by 3-0 in Kolkata. Gabonese striker Henry Anshuet scored twice and Lebanese midfielder Akram Moghrabi scored the third to complete a convincing victory for league leaders on Saturday. Meanwhile at Mapsa, defending champions Dempa Sports Club thrashed United Sikkim by 7-0.
Well shackled though so far, the front two of Kingfisher East Bengal. And a very professional performance by Churchill Brothers. Chidi Day, Najireen read it well. Can they make this one count? Najireen, oh, how didn't he score? What a save it was from Abhijit Mondal. Najireen was absolutely convinced he'd scored. Still not got the ball away. Chance for Anshuet, and a goal is given this time. Well, they never cleared the first one, and the second one counted. Henry Anshuet. Was he offside? He looked to be an absolute mile offside. And Rolti and Hussain. Space down the right-hand side. This is a really good opportunity now. Anshuet's in again, and he's got a second goal. And there was no offside that time. Well, they were warned with the first one. It's exactly the same for the second, and Dias is absolutely delighted, and no wonder. The league leaders 2-0 up. Right-footed. Najireen with a header, and it's 3. It's Moghrabi, in fact. Well, the two strikers have done it for a delighted Dias. Akram Moghrabi came on and scored his goal after Henry Anshuet had got 2 in the first half. One disputed, the first one looked to be offside. But it is a convincing victory and a well-deserved victory.
Stamina Cricket Club will take on Politics 11 in the finals of All Goa Babu Brothers 2020 cricket on Sunday. Stamina crushed Sportswig in the first semi-finals, while Politics got the better of Oxford Marine in the second semi-finals at Fatorda on Saturday.
Short game, Sundar Gembaji. Badhiya game.
Stamina scored a resounding 8-wicket victory over Sportswig Cricket Club in the first semi-finals. Batting first after winning the toss, Sportswig performed miserably, getting all out for just 74 runs. Marianne Anthony was their top scorer with 17 runs, while Rupesh Asgaonkar made 13 runs. Stamina's Regan Pinto and Sherman was picked up 3 and 2 wickets respectively.
Drives it straight back to the bowler, beautifully accepts it. The 8th wicket for us. This time, a lovely tap there to the slip corner.
In reply, Stamina cruised to victory, targeting 8 overs with 8 wickets in hand. Regan remained not out on 50 runs. In the second semi-final, Politics 11 beat Oxford Marine by 1 wicket in a thrilling encounter. Oxford made 139 runs batting first. Politics reached the target in the last over.
बढ़िया शॉट वहां पे, बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट. अरे लेग साइड जाता हुआ गेंद, और गेंद जा रही है फाइनल क्षेत्र पर. बेहतरीन गेंद, लेकिन सुंदर लाजवाब स्ट्रोक वहां पर. जैसे देखा कि गेंद पैर पर आ रही है, कलाई को मुड़ना. इनका ट्रेडमार्क शॉट.
A reporter from Fatorda, Samir Bhatt.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.